Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I am unboxing this. I bought this in Blinkit. I bought this in MRP. One second, I buy this. So it is a Hot Wheels 2025 car. I bought this in December 25th. So it is my last 2025 Hot Wheels that I bought in 2025, not in 2026. So without wasting time, let's open it. And I buy this in 179 rupees. The revised MRP is 167. Okay. And sorry for late videos. Actually, my phone's battery is damaged, so I can't record unboxing video in that phone. So I am recording in my mother's phone. One second. Okay. Okay. And I tell about the car's information few minutes later. So first we gonna unbox, then we talk about the information of this car that Hot Wheels gave. So it is okay. It is enough acetone I give. It is the cap of yes. So let's read the information about this Hot Wheels. So it is, one second. It is not yes. So it is Volvo 240 drift wagon, and it is from the wagon family series. It is 3 out of 5. This series also contained BMW MC wagon, but I didn't have that. So let's unbox this car gently. I need more acid. 1 second. Okay, give enough acetone. Oh yes. Okay, so it is the package. The card art is pretty good. So it is the car. 1 second, I just turn on my flashlight. 1 second guys. So I turn on my flashlight in this mobile. So the first impression is this car is very glittery car, very glittery. So this car has lot of livery. It also has a little bit of exposed. The engine is exposed little bit. So the detailing are Andrel, Michigan, Hot Wheels, Volvo 240. The livery is pretty cool. It has a plastic inside headlamps. It has another exhaust pipe, and the back detailing are also good. And you are wondering what are these two? These two are dogs that are facing this side. It is a very interesting and little bit of Easter egg type thing. Hot Wheels, you put this. Thank you. And it is exposed, there has no window glass in there, so I can touch these two dogs. The tail light details are also good. Once again, let's check the rolling tail. Nothing wrong. This car didn't have any wheel bobble issue. Let's read the base information. Volvo 240 wagon HCT 20 UT7N Hot Wheels 2022 metal. They registered this casting in 2022. 1186 MJ1 NL, made in Malaysia. So it is a very good casting. Thank you for watching my videos, and please keep supporting me. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.